Hey YouTube, welcome back. Happy Friday, guys. Today I'm gonna unbox this. I believe this is some of the Christmas items that my wife purchased after Christmas sales from Kohl's. Let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. The reason I put this up because there's a shipping label on the top. So let's go ahead and then open this up on the bottom. Hopefully there's no invoice in here. Let me check. Gosh. So you got this air bubble wrap. Oh, yep, there's an invoice right here. So I'm going to show you guys real quick what she bought. She bought this berry tree botanical. This is the combo heart nightlight red, and another one's the ombre love marquee red. Oh, so she's getting ready for the Valentines, huh? She's moving a step ahead of me. So, original retail price for this one is $25.99, as you can see. So she got it for $12.99, which is equivalent to 50% off. So it says, "Be mine, you are sweet, love you." Yeah, I know, I'm sweet. Let's go ahead and then get this. Ooh, wow. Hopefully nothing is broken. This one is the love sign with the lights, LED lights. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So it says try me. You can press over here and the lights turns on. So it doesn't flash or anything. And if you want, you can put I believe there's a battery in there already, but I'm not sure. So, oh no, it does not include it. So this one, it is a coin battery with a push button. So if you want, you could unplug that cable right there, take it out, and there's a screw for the battery cover. You unscrew it and then pop this open, and I guess you put on your AA battery or AAA battery. Let's see. Made in China. What is this? So it doesn't specify what size of battery, but it should be AA or AAA battery, and then there's a switch right here. So you switch it to turn it on or off when you have a party. And this one is on sale for $19.99, which is again 50% off. And good thing with the codes is that if you purchase $50 or more, you get $10 code cash. And this one is the berry tree. And it has 2 hearts. Wait, no, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole bunch of hearts with the red ribbon. Looks pretty nice. So I'm glad that she finally got smart and then shop around, because I told her don't pay retail price, and she finally gets it. So which is good. So you save 50% off, and you can use those money to do more shopping or whatever that you want, buy more stuff. So be sure not to pay retail. Get it when it's after Christmas sale, so you get a very pretty good discount price. And be smart. Just shop around and do some comparison. Compare with what Target, other Walmart, Ross, TJ Maxx, and all the places out there. I know the department store is going to cost way more. So anyway, this is my unboxing for this item from Kohl's. So hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up, and then subscribe to the channel and turn on that bell for notification. All right, and share this with your friend, family on social media. Valentine is coming up, and this is a nice pickup from my wife. And hopefully you guys do the same. It's Friday. Go out there and shop. All right. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Please drop any on the comments below. Peace.